Yuri Alemao.
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 Very fortunate to have MLA and LOP, our Yuri Alemao. He's very young and energetic.
Future CM, without doubt na.
Yuri is the best MLA we have in so many years.
आमचो young, dynamic leader of opposition.
Ladies and gentlemen, you are not ready for this.
Yuri Alemao, trained as a commercial aircraft pilot in Australia, had a thriving career waiting for him. But his inner calling was to be with his people back in Goa. Hailing from a political family, Yuri plunged into social work. But for him, this journey has been of penance. He contested his first election in 2012, but he started his journey with a failure. He could have stayed back, set up a normal life returning to his professional career as a commercial pilot. But he refused to accept failure. Young blood, an analytical mind, and determination to work for the people. This was a penance of 10 years. Eventually, he became a MLA in 2022.
युरी आलेमांव गोंय राज्याचो विधानसभेचो सभासद म्हणून निवडून आयला.
As a family member, when I saw Yuri stepping inside the assembly, I could imagine the struggle that we went through for those 10 years. This is not an inherited gift. This is truly his patience, his hard work, and that fire that he has in him to walk in his father's shoes. And this is just a start.
Yes. This is given to us in the morning.
Yes.
This is an insult.
युरी आलेमावाच्या नावान एक आमदार मेळ्ळो जेणे ज्या 10 वर्सां जे डेव्हलपमेंट जालो नासलो तो कवर अप करून न्यू डेव्हलपमेंट वर्क स्टार्ट केलें.
तेणें कुंकळे जायते डेव्हलपमेंट केलें आहा. आज अशें जालां कुंकळे डेव्हलपमेंट म्हणटा ते युरी आलेमाव.
गाडीक फिश मिल आनी एनक्रोचमेंट जो जाला कुंकळे इंडस्ट्रियल स्टेट 2 वर्सां जाली. युरी आलेमाव आमचे फाटल्यान पिलर असो उबो आसा. आमगे MLA जो आसा पिलर असो उबो आसा लीडर ऑफ द ऑपोजिशन.
त्या दिरांक आमगे गिरदोली पंचायत घराचो टेंडर जाला पळय तो आमी जातोले. पारोडा गांवांत गेले जाल्यार
Came into the house like
young man who was completely confused, had no background of legislative politics. So पयले सुवातेर आमी ताका पळयलो तेन्ना सामकोच डिसओरिएंटेड कसो आशिल्लो आनी एवरीबडी सेड दॅट ही इज नॉट इन अ पोजिशन टू लीड एन ऑपोजिशन. So at number 1 I put Yuri Alemao for the reason that he has shown tremendous progress in his delivery, in his taking up of issues, fighting for his colleagues, and overall he has done a lot of study, lot of issues, because it is not only Kunkulli or a limited area. He was fighting for issues,
statewide issues.
Yeah, statewide issues. Clear favorite there, Yuri Alemao at number 1.
हांव फर्स्ट कित्याक दिता ना की एज अ ऑपोजिशन लिडर म्हणून फक्त काँग्रेस आमदाराचेच न्ही जाल्यार सगळ्या सातूय जण म्हणजे सातय जाणांचे जेन्ना विशय येताले तेन्ना तो उबो रावन तेणी प्रत्येक गजालीचेर तो विरोधकांक
Yuri was very aggressive.
एग्रेसिव्ह हे फावटी सगळ्या खातीर तो उबो रावतालो. युरी गांवत्या खातीर हे दिता की सगळे प्रश्न तेणी बरे मांडल्या, विशय बरे मांडल्या,
अभ्यासही करून येतालो.
डिस्कशनान भाग घेतना तो बरो उलयला. सो म्हाका दिसता की पयल्या नंबराचेर हांव युरीक दिता.
He should be CM of Goa, and we always wish that he should be a CM of Goa because the quality ते पडे आसा तेणे पळय असेंब्ली क्वालिटी दाखयल्या. दॅट इज आमची कुंकळकारान सामकें नांव दवरलें. बेस्ट थिंग म्हणलें ही हॅज fought like कुंकळकार.
गव्हर्नमेंट इज ऑन अ स्वल्प मोड. स्वल्प म्हणजे कन्नडान कितें लिटल. मुखेलमंत्री पयर गेल्लो इलो कन्नड उलयला. आतां दीस गव्हर्नमेंट वॉज फॉर्म्ड विथ MLAs बींग स्वल्प. गोंयचें जे विजन एंगल आहा ते स्वल्प आसा. लास्ट आमी स्वल्प ऑपोजिशन आमदार उलय 7 आहे, पूण आमकां विश्वास आहा की 7य आमदार देल बी मॅक्सिमम परफॉर्मन्स. मिनिमम ऑपोजिशन, मॅक्सिमम परफॉर्मन्स. जे बाब मनोहर पर्रीकरान हो कायदो हाडपाक केल्लो, गिव अ स्पेशल डिस्कशन. ऑथरायज स्पेशल डिस्कशन मातशें दिचें. I will show you where you can recover that amount. The large come discussing solves. Leader of the party, I also agreed to everything that whatever was discussed in the foyer, it is our right to discuss here. As per Rule 141, this bill had to be brought 3 days ago. Why is it introduced now? As per the bill, you have to bring it 3 days before. Under what pretext have you brought it now? If it was introduced 3 days ago.
विरोधी पक्षनेते
This House strongly recommends to the government to take immediate steps to stop the unjust customs of widow discrimination, widow abuse and widow isolation in the state. This House should stand with the weak and the voiceless. This House should stand to protect the dignity of women and the dignity of widows. There are some who raise the issue of public sentiment. They say that public sentiment should be examined. Let us be clear that we as legislators should not be with inhuman, unconstitutional and discriminatory practices. Some who say that this is a religious issue. My reply is that here we are come not to reform religion, but to reform the democratic society.
Everyone thought Yuri will be a LOP sitting in air condition.
I have great admiration for Yuri. As a wife, I am daily witness to his foresight and self-mastery, and I can't help but be in awe of his values and his ability to stay true to his word, no matter the cost or how hard it gets. Everybody who knows Yuri will immediately recognize and be impressed by his extreme discipline and the real respect he reserves not only for himself, but for his team, his Kunkolkars and all Goenkars as a whole. Yuri is a man completely composed and in control, one who holds himself to the highest standards of accountability, and that is remarkable in someone so young, and most especially in the field of politics today. His attention to detail extends to his everyday life, within the home, with friends, and in the constituency with his people. I really respect that for him it never was about power, but about transformation. He cares more about doing the right thing and what his children will say about their father when the cameras are off. Today, on his birthday, I wish him continued growth and success, the best of health and happiness, and above all, my greatest wish for him is that his beautiful vision of a fresh start for Goa becomes a reality.
On the road with you, in the assembly with you, for unity with you, in your pain with you, in your joy with you, through sun and rain with you, fighting the system with you, for justice for tomorrow with you.
Happy birthday, Papa. I love you.
Happy birthday, Yuri Alemao, a young leader for the future of Goa.